Hello and welcome to Someka Historical Stock Prices template. This tool mainly lists you the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ stock prices day by day depending on the time frame you will be choosing. It is constructed by three parts. These are dashboard, indicator explanations, and company symbol lists. Let's start with company symbol lists. In this section you may find the symbols and the company names of the stocks you will be looking for. In the indicators explanation part, you will find the explanations of the column titles and the time frames you may choose. Finally, on the dashboard, clear list by pressing on the button. Once the table is cleared, check the stock you would like to observe from select symbol. You may write it down or choose the stock you would like to get from the list. Determine the time frame you would like to work with. Once you're done, click on Fetch New Data and you will see the data displaying on your template. Thanks for watching and don't forget to check our other templates at www.someka.net.